Introducing the SaintyCo Boba X100 Popping Boba Production System. A compact, fully automated solution for producing popping boba at scale. The Boba X100 features dual cooking systems. One cooking system prepares the filling material. The other is for the sodium alginate solution. The jacketed cooker includes a PTFE scraper for continuous mixing. A high-speed agitator helps break down particles and reduce sticking. A cleaning ball flushes inner walls for effortless sanitation. Next to it, a vacuum tank removes trapped air from the syrup. This keeps the filling smooth and preserves texture and taste. Next comes forming, which is managed by a servo-controlled depositor. The system includes 2 hoppers, each designed for quick swap and cleaning. Boba X50 produces up to 50 kilograms per hour. Boba X100 reaches 100 kilograms per hour. Each droplet falls into a sodium alginate bath, where it forms a round outer shell. The system ensures accurate dosing and consistent shaping every time. Once formed, the popping boba passes over multi-level buffer boards. These help separate the pieces and enhance roundness. A mesh conveyor removes excess syrup and keeps the pearls aligned. From here, they move directly into the next stage of processing. The entire cleaning process is fully automated. 3 tanks manage rinsing with acid, alkali, and clean water. A closed-loop system flushes the pipes, tanks, and depositing components. No manual rinsing is required. An IP65 rated control cabinet manages the entire process around the clock. Now, see the SaintyCo Boba X100 in real production. Fillings cook at 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. Sodium alginate solution stays between 40 and 50. Sodium alginate is pumped into trays to prepare the gelling bath. Depositing runs at 15 to 25 cycles per minute. 30 nozzles deliver consistent shape and size every time. The Boba X100 produces popping boba from 4 to 20 millimeters in size, suitable for drinks, desserts, and functional food applications. Each pearl is freshly formed and cleanly processed. Upgrade your line with the SaintyCo Boba X Series Popping Boba Production System. Precision built, fully integrated, ready to perform.